God, wow, what a long time, guys. Finally, I'm back. I'm more strong than before. I'm so sorry, but I had basically a mental break because never happened in my life. But I had this terrible COVID. All my family got it. We got... it was bad, but finally I'm here with you guys. I couldn't wait. I miss you so much. Even if it was only for a few weeks, I miss you so much. Here we are today. You guys saw the last video where I make the 5 most unique pizzas. I got so many questions, thousands of comments. How can I make this sauce? How can I make the green sauce? How can I make ghost pepper sauce? How can I make the purple sauce? I'm here because I want to show you how to make 5 best next level pizza sauce. Also, of course, guys, I'm going to show you how to make perfect tomato sauce for the pizza from scratch. Go ahead, share this video with friends. Help me reach this 1 million subscribers. We are almost at... we're almost there. Enjoy this video, smash the like. Go ahead, subscribe right there. It's totally free. Thank you so much for all the beautiful comments that you guys send me over these weeks. I really give me this, give me motivation. All of your comments give me the motivation to get back on my feet and get back running on my routine. All the people that get mental break or they feel mentally down, please be strong. Try to wake up early in the morning, walk a little bit, and just listen positive things that help you get back on your track. I mean, I never happened in my life, but I got it. And here we are, more strong than before, and enjoy this video. Let's go. The first thing to do here, I'm gonna make it all together this way. I make the things super easy for you. Let's put some purple potato inside the water, pinch of salt, and pinch of salt in this one too. Let's grab our fresh tomatoes, like San Marzano style. This is the tomato that you need to grab from the store. And then same thing, I repeat, I'm gonna make it super easy for you, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it inside the hot water, just like that. And now wait about 15-20 minutes, the time to cook these tomatoes. Same thing with potato. Let's start with the orange sauce that I use to make the ghost pizza. So let's go ahead and peel off the top part. So we're gonna grab a few, put the whole peppers and put it inside this blender, just like that. An handful of pecorino cheese or Grana cheese, and now we need like a 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Now let's start to do the blend part. So we're gonna blend it for a few minutes. Then we check in the same time if it needs more olive oil. So like you can see, it's too dense. So we're gonna go ahead and add more extra virgin olive oil. There we go. Move it a little bit, voila. We see, and we're gonna add right now a little bit of water. Done. So now we're gonna go ahead until it becomes a nice cream. Guys, the first sauce is ready. Like you can see, it's nice, it's ready. Like you can see, it's nice and orange, just like my pizza. There we go, even the tomatoes are ready. Let me show you the texture. Like you can see, is nice and perfect and orange for the pizza. And I can see now, here we got the first sauce, the ghost pepper sauce. Okay guys, the tomatoes are ready. Like you can see, we notice when they are ready, when they start to break, and that means that they are ready. So it's perfect to start to peel it. Take off all the water and put it right there. Now wait about 10 minutes, the time to cool down, and they will be hot, but you can see it's easy to peel off, and that's how, let me show you. This is how a tomatoes supposed to look like. Do the same thing with all of them. Okay guys, next step is put all the tomatoes inside a container. Then with your hands is super simple, this technique, but of course guys, be careful because they might be too hot. That's what I like to do. And with your hands, of course, grab the top part, which is the middle part of the tomato, and you can take it out. This is, again guys, is the most simple and fast way to do the tomatoes. So this part, which is the middle part, you take it out and just throw it away. Oh, also you guys can put everything inside the blender and you're good to go. Voila, now that we have pure tomatoes, we add a handful of fresh basil, of course, break it, this way gives a nice flavor, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and a little bit of salt. So now with your hands, you go ahead and break the tomato. Voila. I like to do it by hands, this way you get this chunk of tomatoes, which is really gives a nice flavor to the pizza. There we go guys, we have the fresh tomato sauce made at home for the pizza. Sauce number 2. Let's go ahead and let's prepare number 3. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and let's make my favorite one, the green one, which is the green peas sauce. So first of all, we need to go ahead and put a bit of olive oil in a hot pan. Not too much. There we go. And then a little bit of fresh white onions. Now let it cook a little bit. There we go. Once the onions are a little bit gold color, that's the time to go ahead and add frozen green peas, and those are really good to make this kind of sauce. There we go. Now cook it slowly for about a little bit extra olive oil. So we cook it for a few minutes. Now grab a little bit of water and show you what's the secret. Now go ahead and add a little bit of water inside, because this is what is gonna give a nice sauce. There we go. Close it and finish to cook. Okay guys, pay attention to this step. So when the water is evaporated from here, the peas are ready. So usually it takes about 15 minutes, it's not too much. Here we go guys, the green peas are ready. Go ahead and put it all inside the blender with the water, the onions, everything like that inside the blender. That's it, done. Now same thing here, we're gonna go ahead and add a handful of Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. If you want a little bit more liquid, go ahead and add more olive oil. Okay, so wow, nice and still smoky. The green sauce is ready, but the secret here is this. So once it's ready, grab everything, and you have to use I forgot the name of this thing here, but you need something like that. Keep this one right here, like that, and easy, gentle, little by little, go ahead and do this, because that's the secret of having the best sauce for your pizza. This is the best way, because this way you don't have the sauce too much watery or too much dense. So then when you're going to have the pizza, you're gonna have the nice texture of green, looking green, and the taste, trust me, it gets inside the dough and it gets so good. There we go guys, here you go. This is the texture of the sauce. Like you can see, it's nice and perfect liquid. It's like the tomato sauce, but this is green sauce. Let me taste. Wow, this is super lovely. Wow. Okay guys, here we go, number 4. One is the most popular one, is the purple potato sauce. So basically we're gonna grab the potatoes when they're cold and they are cooked already, and then we have to go ahead and peel it, all of them. Peel all the potatoes, go ahead and put it inside the blender. Now, same thing here, we need to add a little bit of pecorino cheese or grana cheese, it's fine, a little bit more. 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 small spoons. Extra virgin olive oil until you think is enough, till it gets nice and creamy. Now, here's the trick. So, here, mix it until it gets nice and creamy. You can keep the sauce nice and purple color, that's all the ingredients that you need. But if you want the sauce a little bit blue, like the pizza that I made, go ahead and add just a pinch of baking soda inside, and that becomes like a magic blue. So the more you add, the more blue it's gonna become. Voila, like you can see, we got the color, the same one exactly of my pizza. That's how we become blue. Bluish. The sauce is ready. Let's take everything out. The flavor of this sauce, it's amazing on the pizza. That's the sauce. So now let's go ahead. Let's taste a little bit. This way we know how much salt we need. This is the purple bluish potato sauce. Amazing. Voila, we got a 4 here. And now, guys, oh well, it's no less, because this is the white sauce that I use always for my pizza, always the same one. Simply whipping cream, guys, believe it or not, but I put whipping cream on my pizza. To make it nice and perfect for my pizzas, what I do is basically a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and the rest it goes on the pizza. We put a little bit of salt to make it salty. If you want to put salt, it depends on the ingredients that you need. The number 5 sauce. Here we go, guys. We got the all 5 sauces. So now please tell me which one was your favorite. I want to see your comment below if this was easy or not. Thank you so much for Maestro Ettio Copelli. Really, thank you so much. I'm glad that I'm back, and I'll see you next week with more videos, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!